DNK Hospital of Super Specialty from Delhi. Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Gandotra is graduate and postgraduate from Medical College Jammu. He is DNB Cardiology from Fortis Escort Heart Institute. He is member of a number of cardiology societies of India and foreign countries. Name. He has done a number of international presentations. He is presently working as Director of International Cardiology Heart Failure Program PNK Next Super Specialty Hospital. His topic today is Management of Heart Failure Research Concepts. Dr. Gandotra, please.
What is doing heart failure? Actually, it was recent concept, but recent concepts is very few, 2 or 3 only, but this is a vast field. But it was to talk on what is doing heart failure. So first of all, thank you so much for inviting me. And this is heart failure. You all know heart failure is what? Heart failure is inability of the heart to pump the blood. And it is of 3 types actually. First, it was only heart failure, which you must have seen congestive heart failure, terms like systolic heart failure, diastolic heart failure. Now this change. It is heart failure with reduced ejection fraction in terms of the EF, which you say in echo. So if it is below 40%, it is heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, which is the worst form of heart failure as far as management is concerned. But there are a lot of management research going on in this field. All the drugs, they are for this. Then another is, which new term has come, which is mildly reduced heart failure, which is up to 49% of ejection fraction. Then if it is more than 50%, this is HFpEF, which is heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, which is a normal heart, which was previously known as diastolic heart failure. This entity has very less of treatment options, only diuretics and vasodilators, nothing else. The whole of our talk today is for heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, that is below 35%. So what is heart failure? If you see the heart failure patient, we don't see, in our clinic, we don't see A, B, C, D. We see end-stage heart failure. The patients who are gasping for breath, those who are looking for oxygen. So for them, there are modalities which I will enumerate. So if you see India, the problem in India is we see heart failure at a very late stage. In the West, they are at stage A. The gas patient failure, once we treatment are very, very limited. Then, if you see, well, the problem is 1 hospitalization, 2 hospitalization, 3 hospitalization, 4 hospitalization, we are pushing patients towards death to increase morbidity, increase mortality. So this is sad state wherein we are treating patients. So this is again the risk. If you see first heart failure admission in India, stage C, the survival rate in all patients were reduced its diameter. So that's why the decreases. The mitral valve is coming, which should be replaced percutaneously. Tricuspid valve has only come, which is triclip, everything is there in India. So thank you so much. Any questions? Most
Hello. Now the session is open for question and answers.
Yeah.
In the medical pumps, the RBCs are not available. Does that mean we do not need to use acetylene or vancomycin?
No. That's different. The coagulation is there because it's what? It's a tube. So the blood can get clotted. And the previous system was what? It was clearing. That was clearing. Blood was getting immunized also. So it's not getting immunized.
Still coagulate, but it is not immunized.
Anticoagulation you will need because there is a external system. It will get clogged. So for maintaining that thing, you have to have antibiotics. And that too, acetylene and warfarin, not the newer antibiotics.
Yeah.
In the elderly patient particularly, and for the child already when they came with early dyspnea or injection, And we found only for the ejector tracking only 20% was changed. And it is very difficult to convince them go for the angiography or other thing. And we have to manage them on the medical basis, on the flat basis, I would say. We have ejector tracking 20%, patients have a testing on the ejector. And it is very difficult to maintain, ask them to go for angiography or other thing.
Sir, actually, I run a heart failure clinic. I am running it for last 10 years. So I don't run alone. I have my coordinators, 3 coordinators. They counsel them multiple times. So you have to give them confidence. I know in a clinic it is very difficult. So what do is, we have a heart failure card. We fill it. There are 3-4 mobile numbers on that. On top of that is mine, then my heart failure nurse, then a dietitian, then another clinician, my junior. So we give them confidence that 24/7 we are with you. So once you respond their calls, then they will have confidence. Because see, problem is doctors. You go to one doctor, I'll be very
सर हो गया ओके सर हाँ जी सर ओके सर
आवाज दो हम एक है, आवाज दो हम एक है, आवाज दो हम एक है, देख लो हम एक है।
से 5-6 लोग हैं, इधर से आके
खत्म कर चले।